China has quietly built one of the most powerful forms of leverage in the modern era: control of rare earth minerals. These 17 critical elements form the backbone of modern civilization and the lifeblood of advanced military and technology systems. From satellites to fighter jets, radar to missile guidance, communication networks to electric vehicles, all depend on rare earths. While the United States created much of the technology that uses them, China now controls nearly 90% of global refining and processing. That means the U.S. military, the most advanced in the world, depends on China to keep operating. 91% of the U.S. Navy's weapon systems and 85% of the Air Force's aircraft rely on Chinese refined materials. Even the F 35, America's most sophisticated stealth jet, cannot function without rare earth magnets and alloys from China. From propulsion to targeting, a single disruption could halt production entirely. What does this mean? It means the United States is dependent on its greatest rival to sustain its own military power, a nation capable of limiting access, not through war, but through trade. If China restricts supply, the impact would be immediate: crippling production, stalling defense output, and shaking global confidence. This leverage reaches far beyond defense. Rare earths drive consumer electronics, batteries, and renewable energy. This is not just a military weakness, it's an industrial dependency, and the timing could not be worse. The US bond market is in distress. Yields are climbing, debt is expanding, the cost of borrowing is becoming unsustainable. As confidence fades, capital looks for shelter, investors are hedging, gold, the ancient store of value, is rising again. Bitcoin and decentralized digital assets, once viewed as speculative, are now seen as protection against systemic risk. When governments weaponize resources and debt, investors must weaponize knowledge. China's control over rare earths is not just geopolitical strategy, it's an economic warning. It marks the start of a global realignment where access defines power and control of materials defines independence. As the U.S. scrambles to rebuild domestic supply chains, one truth stands clear. In modern warfare and modern markets, control of materials is control of power, and right now, China holds that power. Y'all better get that crypto.